Yes, without a doubt, it can definitely work for you. Beauty is an awesome thing to sell on Amazon. Here's something interesting though. If you've got existing products, and I see this every single time, I've never not seen this. Your products, let's suppose that you've got 20 products that you sell. Your products will always follow the 80-20 rule. So 20% of your products, 4 in that case, will provide 80% of the revenue for the product line. So 4 products will provide 80% of your total revenue for the product line. So when you list on Amazon, start with your 4 products. Start with your 20% that gives you the 80%. Start with those, get those right. You should definitely use the fantastical Mick Kelly, whose work is freaking genius. I'll give you the link for this. It's at gomibby.com/product-photography. Give you all the link. There it is. Use Mick to do all your images. He does a fantastic job of them, and that will see you right with regards to actually getting your sales kicked off properly. So Bonnie, it really does work for your products. That's a great category to go into. Follow the instructions around product launching, that I think is module 6, and 5 and 6, and you'll do very, very well as a result of that. Get Mick to do your images. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.